Okay, so go to your McGraw-Hill through Canvas. Click on Go to My Connect section. Put it in my student view. All right, like here, Chapter 1, Study. So you'd go over here, click on this, click Study. Okay, continue. You'd answer the question. A blank investigates the causes of diseases. So, a pathologist, dermatologist, pulmonologist. And here's your ebook. You would click on those. Let's just put pathologist, check my work. We got it right. So then you'd go on to the next one. Okay? So it's as easy as that to access. All right. Oops, sorry.